New English Daily.
Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to talk about something simple but very important, introductions and hobbies. Whether you're meeting someone new or sharing what you love to do, this lesson will help you speak more confidently. Let's begin.
In this video, we will learn English in 4 chapters. Each chapter is designed to help you understand and speak English step by step. Chapter 1, Listening and Practice. Chapter 2, Vocabulary. Chapter 3, Listen and Answer Practice. Chapter 4, Shadowing Practice. Chapter 1, Listening and Practice.
In the first chapter, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations better.
Introductions and Hobbies. Hello, my name is Sarah. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Ollie. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ollie. Where are you from?
I'm from Lahore, Pakistan. And you?
I'm from Karachi. How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and drawing pictures.
That's cool. I like playing cricket and watching movies.
Do you enjoy listening to music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to it every day.
Can you play any musical instruments?
I'm learning to play the guitar these days.
That's nice. I can play a little piano.
It was really nice talking to you, Sarah.
Same here, Ollie. Have a great day. Chapter 2, Vocabulary.
Now, let's explore some new words together in our vocabulary section. I'll explain a few words and use them in example sentences to help you grasp their meaning easily.
Vocabulary. Introduce. To tell someone who you are. Example. I will introduce myself to the class. Please introduce your friend to me. Hobby. Something you enjoy doing in your free time. Example. My hobby is drawing pictures. Reading books is a good hobby. Free time. Time when you're not working or studying. Example. I like to watch movies in my free time. She draws in her free time. Enjoy. To like something or have fun doing it. Example. I enjoy playing cricket. They enjoy listening to music. Conversation. Talking between 2 or more people. Example. I had a nice conversation with my friend. We are learning English conversation.
I want to remind you something, guys. Repetition is very important to become fluent in English. So repeat these words out loud. Repetition helps you remember and speak better. Please watch this video many times to practice the vocabulary.
Chapter 3, Listen and Answer Practice.
Time for some interactive practice. Listen carefully to the questions I ask about the conversation. Try to answer them out loud before I reveal the correct answers. This will boost your speaking and listening skills. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Let's begin.
Answer the questions out loud. Hello, my name is Sarah. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Ollie. Nice to meet you.
Did Sarah ask if Ollie has any pets? No, she didn't ask if Ollie has any pets. So, what did Sarah ask? She asked, "What is your name?" Ollie. Where are you from?
I'm from Lahore, Pakistan. And you?
Did Sarah ask where Ollie works? No, Sarah didn't ask where Ollie works. So, what did Sarah ask? Sarah asked, "Where are you from?" How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Did Sarah ask if Ollie likes pizza? No, Sarah didn't ask if Ollie likes pizza. So, what did Sarah ask? Sarah asked, "How old are you?"
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and drawing pictures. Did Ollie ask if Sarah has a brother? No, Ollie didn't ask if Sarah has a brother. So what did Ollie ask? Ollie asked, "What do you like to do in your free time?" Can you play any musical instruments?
I'm learning to play the guitar these days.
Did Sarah ask what phone Ollie uses? No, Sarah didn't ask what phone Ollie uses. So, what did Sarah ask? Sarah asked, "Can you play any musical instruments?" Now it's your turn. What do you like to do in your free time? Write your answer in the comment section below. Let's practice together. Chapter 4, Shadowing Practice.
Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin.
Hello, my name is Sarah. What is your name? Ollie. Where are you from? How old are you?
What do you like to do in your free time?
Can you play any musical instruments?
Great job on completing today's English practice. You did amazing work by going through all 4 chapters. Listening and practice. Vocabulary. Listen and answer practice. Shadowing practice. Keep watching this video for 1 week and repeat the exercises daily. The more you practice, the more confident your English will become.
Remember, learning English is a journey. Every word you speak makes you better. Keep going. You're doing great. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy English practice videos. Also, check out our next lesson right here. It will help you learn how to talk about your daily routine in English. See you there.